Hello students, very welcome to today's video. Today's video is on the India and the relations that we have in terms of nation. So recently the news was, and this came in Times of India, where it was discussed that China is planning to choke the chicken's neck. Now what is chicken's neck or kya hai chicken's neck? So we all know that chicken's neck is basically, this is a chicken's neck. It is a 22 kilometer, 22 to 30 kilometer एक narrow corridor है. And here it is also called as Siliguri corridor, and this connects India, the mainland India, to the northeast. And यहाँ पर Bangladesh is, you can see the Bangladesh. So chicken's neck पर, now here we have Bhutan, here we have Nepal, here we have Bhutan, and here we have China. So you can say this point becomes very strategic. ये point था strategic हो गया है, that if somebody tries to choke this, they can choke this. So always the jihadis forces in Bangladesh, or for that matter China, always wants to try to control this area. And northeast एक significant aspect है इंडिया का growth का, future का, northeast policy का, या look east policy का, या act east policy का. So it is very natural India wants to control this or regulate this part, and that is where it had good relations with Bangladesh. Awami League ruled from 2009 onwards. And since then India and Bangladesh had a good relation, एक bonhomie थी. But when the Sheikh Hasina government was ousted, जब उनको हटाया गया, now suddenly the new government is not so India friendly. वो India friendly नहीं है, and they are trying to cozy up with China. And that is where March में जो उनके so called president of, for the chief advisor जो हैं, Mr. Mohammad Yunus, he went to China. And he wants to bring aid, loan, investment from China. So यहाँ पर Mohammad Yunus, there is a belief that China might revive the air base near the Chickens Corridor. और ये air base का नाम है Lal Munirat, and it's a Rangpur division. And it is believed that ये World War II era का air base है. It was also used by Pakistan when the Bangladesh was formed. उससे पहले ये use होता था. It is mainly for civilian purpose, but now it is not used. So there is a saying that it is very close to Siliguri corridor, 135 km from Siliguri corridor, and they want to revive it. And Mohammad Yunus seeks China to expand economic footprint in northeast. So naturally इनके relation India से अच्छे नहीं हैं, and he believes that let's cozy up with China to counter India. Now after the relations went down after the Sheikh Hasina government and Mr. Yunus became the premier, तो उसके बाद ये हुआ that India, we also saw the minority rights being violation of them, काफ़ी issues हुए. So in that regard, the relations between India and Bangladesh, went through a difficult phase. And Mohammad Yunus is not pro-India, he's anti-India. In fact, a lot of people say he is the stooge of USA. USA ने इनको plant किया हुआ था, they were waiting for right time. And ये जो coup हुआ where Sheikh Hasina government had to leave, it was also because the support was there from USA. तो यूएसए एक डुअल पॉलिटिक्स खेलता है. एट वन एंड दे वांट टू सपोर्ट पाकिस्तान एंड बांग्लादेश, एट द सेम टाइम दे डू नॉट वांट इंडिया टू राइज, चाइना. सो एक डिफिकल्ट जियोपॉलिटिक्स का यहाँ का एक एस्पेक्ट है. एंड इफ यू लुक एट द चिकन्स कॉरिडोर, ये देयर इज ऑलवेज बीइंग थ्रेटन्ड बाय द, नाउ यू कैन, नेपाल, दिस इज तिब्बत व्हिच इज चाइना, भूटान. यहाँ पे आपका डोकोलाम प्लेटू है, डोकोलाम 2017 में इशू था. इस्लामिस्ट फोर्सेज ऑलवेज थ्रेटन कि भी हम आपका चिकन्स कॉरिडोर को ब्लॉक कर देंगे. It is a very narrow stretch of road connecting there. So India is always under there is a feeling among the experts कि ये जो area है इसको हमें, we need to create alternate route, and that is where हमने म्यांमार के थ्रू एक route भी develop कर रहे हैं. But Myanmar is also unstable because of their own civil war going on. And जो म्यांमार का जो हमने route decide किया वो भी almost complete है, but till the time Myanmar is stable ये possible नहीं है. So right now we have to secure the chickens corridor. And after the Operation Sindoor, ये जो पूरा इशू हुआ है, बांग्लादेश इज ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू डू दैट, एंड चाइना इज ट्राइंग टू कोजी अप विद दैट. नेचुरल सी बात है, चाइना डज नॉट वांट इंडिया टू ग्रो. एंड इन मार्च बांग्लादेश सिक्योर्ड 2.1 बिलियन इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्रॉम चाइना. इन्वेस्टमेंट इन लाल मोनिरत एक्सपेक्टेड. डुअल मिलिट्री पर्पज ऐसा हो सकता है, सिविलियन और मिलिट्री पर्पज. हेवी चाइनीज इन्वेस्टमेंट इन फैक्ट्री इन सोलर पावर नियर रंगपुर. सो चाइना knows that one way to counter India's growth is to destabilize India. और आप इंडिया को तभी destabilize कर पाओगे when the neighbors are creating problems. So having a good relation with Pakistan, similarly making investment in Bangladesh ताकि बांग्लादेश प्रो जो है चाइना रहे, and similarly investment in Nepal. So Nepal, Pakistan and Bangladesh के जो current government है, they are not so friendly. Probably Bhutan is only country जो favorable है, and also to an extent you can say Sri Lanka, because India helped them during the crisis phase. ये बात बांग्लादेश को भी समझ में आनी चाहिए, because Bangladesh has also been very helpful to that. इंडिया का कहना है कि भाई आप हमारे जो इंटरेस्ट है उसको आप इम्पैक्ट मत करिए. That is what is our requirement is. Don't disturbs our this thing. The rest is please go ahead. Okay, so that is where the China का जो investment बांग्लादेश में हो रहा है, it is believed that it might have a it might have a say in the future of India's security. And Pakistan factor भी इसमें है. Pakistan recently का bonhomie बढ़ गया है. China and Bangladesh का bonhomie with China Pakistan both have increased. In fact, there is a faction within Bangladesh that has a very close relation with the Islamist forces in Bangladesh. पाकिस्तान में जो military है उनके साथ Islamist forces का उनका close relation है. In fact, there is a faction, again a faction within Bangladesh, which believes that the division of Pakistan or creation of Bangladesh was not the right decision. Majorly जो है Awami League जो ruling party थी उनके support में हुआ था. So Awami League is very pro India, but rest of the political parties, BNP हो गए, जो Islamist forces हो गए, Bangladeshi Nationalist Party और Islamist forces, they are not so friendly. So Pakistan के भी deep linkages थे in the separatist group in northeast. We all know that Manipur was unstable, Nagaland was unstable, Assam was unstable, and all these terrorist groups got support from Pakistan, and Bangladesh एक safe haven बन गया था. और जो वहाँ की गवर्नमेंट थी under बेगम खालिदा जिया till 2009, they were not so supportive. But when Sheikh Hasina came, because Sheikh Hasina जो है इंडिया से बहुत pro, उनके अच्छे relation रहे हैं, when she came, then Awami League government launched major crackdown on these the anti-India forces, and India was able to come back and sustain the process. So since then India का और बांग्लादेश के relation बहुत अच्छे रहे हैं, and this has come to a new low as we can see. So this is the totality of that. Let's see how things go, and people who are preparing for UPSC, do like and subscribe to the channel, be regular on the preparation updates, and we are going to put a lot of effort in the journey and learning. एक sincere effort होगा. Take care. God bless you. Bye.